Hi guys, good evening everyone. Um, Thank you for joining the beta testers. Thank you for joining the group. For this video, I will just run you through what the app does and the reason why I had to reach out to get you to join the group. So part of the App Store requirement, that's to host your application on App Store. You have to have at least 12 testers that test the application, right, for a period of like 14 days before you can actually push to production. So I had to reach out via status. I had to reach out. I had to just reach out to like friends and anybody that is like interested, right? So in the course of like the next 14 days, if you have the time, maybe you can just log on the application maybe once or twice or three times, in the 14 days, right? So thank you very much for joining. I'll just run you through the application and what you can actually use the application to do. So the app is called Nectall, 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 right? And that's this Nectall. It simply means connecting all, right? Connect the neck and then the all, right? So for this video, I'll just run you through why the app was created, right? So I'll give you like a short backstory. So there was this event I went for, this Google Dev Fest, and I noticed that like during their breakout session and just the breakout session or different sessions where they will be like, okay, people in this particular hall should connect with each other and stuff like that. And I noticed that it's very difficult to really connect with so many persons. Most times you end up connecting with like five person after you have gone to like a paid event or something, right? After when you get there in your mind, you are like, okay, I want to network with people, I want to connect with a lot of persons. And when you actually get to the location, you don't even give you so much time to network. So I was living there first and I was wondering, wow, I came here having the mind that okay, I will connect with a lot of maybe um you know techies, connect with a lot of maybe marketers, people that are product designers, and basically the cross-functional team, right? And to my greatest surprise, I got there and I could not even connect with three persons. When you get there, you are asking somebody, okay, what's your phone number? And the person gives you his phone number, and you are like, okay, should I collect this person LinkedIn? Okay, what's your LinkedIn? And then from LinkedIn, you are saying, okay, what's your IG? And there's just so much to ask the person because there's now so much, like so many social media, right? So I just thought about it. What if there's an easy way to meet people, quickly get their contacts, get access to all their social media links, even their phone number, their WhatsApp and the likes. So I came up with this application, and then me and my team, right, we came up with this application, and then we built this application. So it's very easy. This is the UI. This is the hot screen. All you have to do is just click continue with Google. You can log in with your Google account. You can log in with your Apple account, or you can just normally create an account, right? So just give it a minute. It's loading, and yeah, this is how the application looks. Yours might not look like this because you've not really added anybody as connection. So imagine going to an event, right? When you get to the event, you you just come here, you click on connect, right? You click on my QRO, shows you your username, and then it shows you your QRO code. Then another person clicks on connect and it clicks on scan, right? And that person, as soon as he scans your QRO code, he is automatically added to your connection. Now what is the connection? A connection is like friend, and the way this connection work is once you log into this um application, you can come to your profile, you can come to your social links. From your social links, you can add so many links. There are so many links here that you can add. You can even add more links. It's over 50 links, right? Over 50 links. Your blog, your Gumroad, Web Farm, WeChat, just different links. That's your different portfolios. So it's not like for developers, it's for like everybody. Your Twitter, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your website, your Facebook. And when you add these social links, as soon as you come here and you connect, that you use your camera to scan the other person's QR code, you automatically get a new friend, right? You can see this friend from this your search, like all your friends. They are like different views that you can see your friends with. Ideally, when you just open your account, you only have your email until you start adding people, like until you start adding your social links, right? So for this particular one, this one of my account, when I click on it, you can see my different social media links. So this is like a bridge to all my social media links. Now imagine you go for an event, a paid master class, right? And then you scan somebody's tag, right? You can just easily come here and you have access to all his social media. Now you can message person on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, you can follow on IG, you can see his website and see his all it's about, those kind of things, especially if it's like a mentor or somebody that you respect. If I click on WhatsApp, so this is like this is an emulator on my laptop, but if it's on your phone, it automatically redirects you to the person's WhatsApp, right? Automatically redirects you to the person's WhatsApp. Let me try to start this app again. Okay, yes. So it redirects you. If you click on LinkedIn, it takes you to my LinkedIn. If you click on IG, it takes you to the person IG. If you click on website, so that's basically it. It's like a bridge for your social media account. Now the new guys that you've added, they will show here like new. You can always come here and just change the new to like message. Maybe you want to track that. Okay, I've messaged this CEO, I've messaged this designer, I've messaged this person. You can also add a note to say, okay, this person is the founder of so, and I would like to message him maybe at this particular day. Then you can also report user, you can remove connection. Now there's this concept, right? I'll just run you through this one. It's called room, right? So for a room, imagine you are a student and you guys want to have a class of like mine. Maybe you are having a physiotherapy class or you're having a C++ class, and it's just like a small group of people and you guys don't really know each other. So you can actually create what we call a room. So basically a room is like a group in WhatsApp, right? It's like a room in WhatsApp. Let's call this room investors room, right? Now a room is like a group on WhatsApp. The difference between this and WhatsApp group is, ideally WhatsApp group is only the admin that will add you to the admin will add you to a group, and then it's just the admin that know everybody in that group. Most times the admin don't even know everybody on that group, right? But for this particular feature, you can come on the room, you can now add, like you can send your QR around, everybody will scan, they will join you, right? When you join this room, so if you guys are like, maybe it's a real estate class, a paid real estate class that people paid 500k for, people in that room, they pay that money because they place value on that class, right? Now those people, most times they won't say it with their mouth, but they want to connect with each other so that they will know that, okay, this is what this other real estate guy is doing, this is what this other guy is doing. So you can come to this room, and if maybe 10 of us are real estate guys, you can just click on this connect all. It's just me on this group, and when you click on connect all, it automatically adds everybody in that room. It adds everybody in that room, and when it adds everybody in that room, right, you can now have access to all their social links. You can chat with them, you can check their website, you can check out what they are about, you can message them and say, okay, I'm from this, I respect you, and stuff like that. So basically it's like an application to connect people, right? To connect people of like mind, especially like minds, because it's very important that we network, right? So with that room feature, you can actually connect a lot of people with like minds. So this is what this room feature is, right? Now we also have my folder. Basically my folder, maybe you go to there first and you got 10 people, you can just click, and you add to my folder. You can now say, okay, I 20 investor 2036, and then you add all these people. Now when you add these people, you can even, there are like some other external features that you can check yourself. You can export the contacts, you can export as phone number, that is VCF, as PDF, as Excel, so that if maybe you want to add them to your email list, just do something with the contacts, right? You want to follow up, you can always do that. That's like a marketing tool, right? But right now the main feature is actually connecting with people, and it's not just connecting with people at events. You can just connect with like anybody. Maybe you are outside in the market, if somebody have the app, you can just connect easily. Instead of asking person for your phone number and you're asking for the person's IG, you're asking for the person's blah 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 and stuff like that. So yeah, that's like the core of the application right now. Subsequent feature will be added to it, right? But this is what I'm pushing as the MVP. That's the minimum viable product, and I would like you guys to help me just test the application. If you have any question, if you see any error, you can help me test and just post it on the group. I will post different QR codes, right, that you can actually scan. You just scan. So if you have like a laptop, you can open your WhatsApp on your laptop, open the picture and use your phone to scan this QR. Then you yourself, you can also come to this connect and you screenshot this your page and then you post it on that group, right? And when you post it on that group, we will now add you as a friend so that we can just see how the whole process is. And then I will also create a room for all of us to come join the room, and then all of us will now connect with each other, right? So that we will see this thing working in real time. We all connect with each other. Then there's also the this social link is like super important. You have to come, put your WhatsApp number, just put your Twitter, put your Instagram, put your LinkedIn. Me, I would even like to follow you. I would like to see what you're about. Just put it your YouTube if you have TikTok, if you do content, if maybe you are looking for these things, even good for maybe even people looking for jobs and stuff like that. You can just have that there, and then you can always just have that like a kind of portfolio, right? Now there's also this Nectall link. I'm actually working on this. It's like a link tree kind of link where you just maybe you can just send it to somebody at any time, and then it just shows you. Okay, it's not currently on. I've not made that push to like production, but basically you everybody have their own links that they can just post anywhere, and they get to see all your social links, right? But if they have the application, there's also a web application for the for this, so I'll also be sending that, right? But this is like the core. This is what I'm trying to push out there, and I really appreciate you for your time, your effort, and I would like to see your QR. I would like to connect with you, and I would like to see you use the app, or even talk to your friends about the app. If you go for events, you can always test the app and just see how it works, right? So thank you very much. But like you going for events, the app is not really on App Store for now. Sorry, yeah, on Play Store, right? On Play Store for Android, but it's on App Store for iOS. So you can currently even download it on iOS. You can use it on iOS. But if you're on Android for now, I need you as part of my beta testers to help me test the application, help me check the application out. And if you don't like how it looks, the UI, you don't like the user experience, you can just let me know. Maybe I'll drop a form that you can just say, okay, this is what I feel this part should be, right? Now, that's basically it for this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. I would like to see your feedback, and thank you. I appreciate.